In this video, I will show you how to download and install Promax virtual environment. If you want to download and install Promax virtual environment without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, we have to search Promax virtual environment. Then press enter. When you search Promax virtual environment, here you'll find Promax virtual environment open source server. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach this page. Here you can see Promax virtual environment. For downloading it, simply click download option. When you click download option, here you'll find download button. Click this download button for downloading it. Next, after downloading it, we will install it. Here you can see I have just downloaded Proxmox virtual environment. Here you can see Proxmox ISO file. Now if you want to use it, simply go where file is present, then right click on it, then click mount. When you click mount, you will see Proxmox drive like this. When you open Windows Explorer, where you can see DVD drive PB. It is up. When you click mount, this will be open. Now you can use it. Proxmox virtual environment in Windows 11.